This story right here is called "The Life of the Vacuum Cleaner." This book contains all their history. Their first earlier vacuum cleaners were wireless back then. That means they were non. Um, that means they were non-electric. Um, let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, the carpet sweepers came first since the 1860s, and later on, and probably later on, and probably later on they introduced some um, van cleaners with the Craig Bellows, with the suction only cleaners, non-electric. Probably the first, yeah, yeah, um, yeah. Probably the first earlier electric van cleaners were came out since the 1900s, such as a good names like Hoover or perhaps Electrolux, Dirt Devil. Yeah, let's see. Dirt Devil. Dirt Devil has been in business since in Ohio of 1905. There were uh, yes, there is a very good yes, there is a good museum. Yep, yep. There is a very good museum that has vacuum cleaners up in St. James, Missouri. Yep. Um, yeah. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Goblin. That's. Let's see. Oh yeah. Goblin. That's British vacuum. That's a British vacuum company since 1906 in England. Yes, they do have van cleaners in England. Yeah. Yep. Some vacuums can be made from the some vacuums can be made from the United States of America. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh, would you believe this? Um, would you believe this? Probably the first electric suction sweeper was made by James Spangler, the night janitor. Uh, he made his own vacuum cleaner from his carpet sweeper. He's yeah. He probably died from asthma since 1915, since June 22nd. And sorry to hear about it. And also sorry to hear about that. Yep. Let's see. Sears Roebuck is a very good company since they started out with wireless vacuum cleaners way before they switched to Sears Kenmore at the time in 1932. They did have Martin vacuums since in 1932. The Hoover Company hired an engineer named Henry Dreyfuss. He made some pretty interesting vacuum cleaners himself. I like the 750. That um, um, that's a vacuum that first had headlights on a vacuum. He decided the motor has for the vacuums to have a modern look. Yeah. 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 Oh. Back in 1934, Eureka first came out with the Boss models of van cleaners. They introduced the beer brush and also the paper bags. Yep. And let's see. Oh. Probably the first rainbow vacuums was made in 1936. Yep. Oh. Oh, here we go. The first plastic-made Hoover Juniors actually came out in 1934, and also in 1935 as well. Yep. Actually, the Hoover Juniors are all metal at first, before they have plastic versions. Yep. The Derby 502, that was introduced in 1952 in Cleveland, Ohio. Let's see, the Kirby Classic 3, the Kirby Classic 3, that's a good one. That vacuum used to be on the movie called Casper. I think they probably used a vacuum for the movie. Yeah. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. Oh, let's see. Probably the first one. Let's see, blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. Probably the Hoover Company first started the concept lines of vacuums since 1978 up through the 90s. Yep. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I, I have sad news for David Ulrich. He passed away a long time ago. But he has a son, and he makes vacuum cleaners by Ulrich now. Yeah. The Electrolux Silverado, that came out since 1979. Yep. That's a very nice vacuum. I see some nice vacuums on YouTube. Well, oh, let's see. Was you believe in 1958 the restaurant IHOP? Was you believe in 1958? Was you believe in 1958 was when IHOP first became a restaurant? They must have vacuums way back then. Yep. I'm guessing that's the rest of my story. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of short video. And I guess I'm going to call it, let's see. I guess I'll call it The Life of the Vacuum Cleaner. Bye.